So okay, before welcome back. Before we start with our shumami bowl, what we thought is I made a batch before and kept it ready. So I want to plate it and show it to you. Okay, so see, this is how it came after 45 minutes of baking. So nice and fluffy and not heavy. You know, it pops up on the top. And on the side I have made a sugar icing. The sugar icing is just icing sugar, water, and little bit of vegetable oil and the sprig vanilla which I showed you. So now to this I'm just gonna drizzle it on top. And let me show you how it looks. We have a couple of different flavors as well. Say lemon tea cake, coffee almond, banana walnut, and tutti frutti.
And I have to recap which.
So this is available for if you guys wanted to buy this right away. You can just ping us and we will deliver it at your Dunzo. You can just direct message us in the Instagram or Facebook. We can deliver it at your doorstep through Dunzo. This is a coffee almond flavor which I made, and the other batch which we made in the live with tea cakes with cashew nuts and walnuts is also available for sale. Just message us. There you go.
Just cool recap. Recap.
So now let's start with the shumami bowl.
Hi Varsha, just read your message. We have uploaded the first part of the video. You can always refer back on Instagram and Facebook. We just made the tea cake or the pound cake, and now we are starting with our very popular shumami mega bowl. As you know, Life is very popular with their salads and eight of our light bowls and 8 of our mega bowls. So we are just showing you our one of our mega bowls today. That's called shumami bowl. You can always order through us, and we also have a subscription offer. If you subscribe for a week, 3 times a week, we will deliver it to you for free of cost. And now we are starting with the next live session, shumami bowl.
Alright, so for shumami bowl is a very famous salad bowl which was invented by Mr. Jonathan. So I'm going to show you how we make this. The very important ingredient is the black rice. The organic black rice or wild rice. So this is an Indian version of organic black rice which I have it here, and I have chopped some portobello button mushroom, whereas it's usually the portobello mushroom, and I have the tofu here. Yeah, the tofu. So it's very easy, very simple and very delicious recipe. So for every salad, the body of the salad is the dressing. So I'm going to show you how we make this dressing, and it's Asian. And what we have done today with most of both the salad and the main course is Asian. So this week we have our particular menu called Rangoon, which is more of Burmese food in it. So please order with us. You can directly message us also. So let me start with the dressing. For dressing, I have taken peanut butter. This is peanut butter. Organic peanut butter. This. And to this I am adding some ginger, chopped ginger. Ginger and peanut butter are such a good friends which goes very well with each other. And some white vinegar. You can also use rice vinegar if you have, but this is very nice and it doesn't change the color. And little bit of maple syrup. This recipe is entirely vegan, so I am not making it honey, or else you can also use honey if you have at home. And I'm giving it a little bit of a whisk. This salt, just adding a little bit of salt to it, and some pepper right away. And I need a hand, so I'm gonna start adding some sesame oil. So slowly. You can make this dressing and keep it at home for say 15 or 20 days. Nothing will happen because all the ingredients what we are using is a dry ingredient. If you have a hand blender at home, it's very good. I just want to show you the right way of making at home. So you always need a helping hand for drizzling the oil to it, because it's a slow process called emulsification. See, it became thick little bit. So I am adding a little bit more of salt to it, because I know it definitely needs some salt. There it is. The first part of our salad, the dressing is ready. So now I'm going to start with the shumami bowl. So for this, I'm adding a little bit of sesame oil again, because basically this is a very Asian salad, but at the same time it's vegan. So Asian, and at the same, it's an Asian salad and vegan. We can use, I'm using button mushroom, however if the exact recipe goes the portobello mushroom. So giving the oil little bit of, heating up the thing, and adding some ginger. So salads can be hot also. This is a warm bowl which we have in Life, which was available before lockdown in Alvarpet and Palladium, now which is available in Kilpoff also. So, giving it a toss with ginger, basil and cilantro, putting it in the Asian. So the very important ingredient is the ginger. So that gives the entire essence for the shumami bowl. Now I'm adding the mushroom. The mushroom and basil gives amazing flavor to it. Adding a little bit of salt for the mushroom and some pepper right away. So let it cook for a while. Then I'll be adding the wild rice and the tofu. And not tossing it a lot, because I want the tofu to give a nice crispy texture also. Gives a very nice Asian flavor. The sesame oil, I'm gonna drizzle it a little bit on top and let it cook for a couple of minutes. See, the dressing is so beautiful. Let it cook for a couple of minutes more.
Oh, very nice.
So I boiled the black rice and kept it ready. The black rice, what we use is Kanbulam's organic black rice. This is called as kulakar, and it is rich in anthocyanin. That is what the color it is. Food that is rich in anthocyanin helps in hemoglobin. Okay. Now I'm adding this rice. And this rice is very good in making some Indian desserts. Right. I'm gonna let it cook for a couple of minutes more. The mushroom, when it cooks with a little bit of basil and oh, lovely this. And the tofu. If you don't have tofu, you can replace it with paneer. And this is available on our subscription throughout the week with live. We have 16 salad, starting from kale Caesar salad. And I'm adding a little bit of vinegar to it. So give the tangy taste. And add the vinegar. And close it with salt. Drizzle some salt and pepper and let it cook. Not troubling it more, so the vinegar is absorbed through the rice. Finally, I am adding some julienne beetroots. I have the julienne beetroot. So in Asian food, most of the vegetables are julienne. So let me turn it off. Good. So now I'm gonna show you how I'm going to plate the salad. the bowl I'm adding the cooked vegetables. Warm salad. So all salads are not necessary that it has to be cold, and I have some English cucumber, so to give the crunch and the feel to the salad, and adding more ginger, the fresh ginger, and some more salt, more pepper, and now the dressing. Generous amount of dressing, the peanut butter. Yeah, how lovely, and it's so divine. You feel it, and when you it won't be that warm. Okay, lovely. So here I have some organic hydroponic lettuce. This is Lola Rosa. See how fresh it is. Very nice and fresh. There you go. So now I'm going to plate the salad. So the salad has enough dressing, so you can have it with say a spoon of a fork of salad along with a fork of lettuce. So I'm not adding more dressing to it. However, I'm going to drizzle some peanut butter dressing on top of it. Okay. If you have some miso is a very good option also, and I'm adding some mixed seeds. Yeah, this is very important. I'm using pumpkin seed, melon seed, flax seed, sesame seed, and some sunflower seed. Yeah, so gentle. And some dressing. Smells so good, so Asian, and so divine. And the beetroot completely changes the color, and it's so contrast with the green lettuce. And I'm gonna put some spring onion, cilantro. Give the fresh feel to it, and couple of red cheese. Yeah, lovely. There you go. Nice and pretty shumami bowl with I demonstrated the shumami bowl, the Asian North American salad, and a North American pound cake. So you guys can directly message us for orders. Yeah. Now let's start with the causeway. Before that, we'll catch you back in a few minutes, say 1 or 2 minutes, before we set up the place for the causeway. Thank you.